Good morning, students. Today, our class is English and we will study a new chapter, unit number 7, Fair Play, written by Prem Chand. This story is about two friends and their friendship. I am not reading your textbook, I am reading the summary, and it has three parts, sorry. So, I am reading this beautiful story of friendship, fair play. This story is about two friends who had to decide what was more important, friendship and enmity, or a sense of what is right and what is wrong. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary shared a very strong bond of friendship. They looked after each other's family when they when the other was away. Juman had an old aunt who had transferred her property to Juman on the condition that she would be looked after till she lived. However, within a couple of years, both Juman and his wife became indifferent to his aunt. When Juman's aunt became tired of the insults, she asked Juman to give her a monthly allowance to set up a separate kitchen. When Juman refused, she went to the panchayat to seek justice. Part 2. At the panchayat, she nominated Algu, who was Juman's best friend, to be the head punch. She trusted that Algu would be true and fair in his judgment. After cross examining Juman and his aunt, Algu came to the conclusion that Juman's aunt must be given a monthly allowance for or her property should be returned to her. This verdict upset Juman to such an extent that he made Algu his enemy and started searching for an opportunity to take revenge. Now, here in part 3. One of the Algu's fine pair of bullocks died and he sold the other one to Samju Sahu, a cart driver of the village. Shahu was to pay the price of the bullock to Algu within a month's time. However, within a month's time, the bullock that he was sold died. When Sahu refused to make the payment to Algu as promised, Algu took the matter to the panchayat. Shahu nominated Juman as the head punch, thinking that he was Algu's enemy and would definitely give a verdict in favor of Shahu. After Juman was made the head punch, he realized the responsibility that come along with the power. After listening to both the parties to the case, Juman passed the judgment in favor of Algu. The decision made Algu very happy and he attested that God lived in the voice of the punch. Algu and Juman's friendship was restored and they embraced each other. Their tears washed away the misunderstanding between them. This is the short summary of the story Fair Play. Now, I am giving you some word meaning that you will read from your textbook is important. One is gruded means gave unwillingly or felt angry or unhappy about giving something. Okay, make it up, stop quarreling, or come to an agreement with, nominate, propose, suggest someone's name for something. Seldom, rarely, and deviate means move away or leave. Here you will find some phrases in your textbook reading. Became indifferent means lost interest in or did not care for. Keep mum, remained silent. Swallowed insult, tolerated insult. Abide by, except in, tight spot in a different situation. So these are the part of glossaries and phrases. I think you will understand and read your textbook one or two times. Okay, see you in next class. Thank you very much.